Hello. Okay, friends. So in the last video, we went over the Figma dashboard and we walked through the Figma file template that I set up for all the UI exercises. In the next couple of videos, we'll tackle the first UI practice exercise, recreating high quality UI screens. All right. These videos should correspond directly to Unit 3.3.3 in the curriculum. And again, as a disclaimer, nothing that I'm teaching you in these videos will guarantee you a job. In fact, more and more entry-level product design, UI, UX design jobs will assume that you have a baseline set of UI and visual design skills and that you're already pretty efficient in working with your design tools. Almost nothing can guarantee you a job in this world unless you're already rich and wealthy, or you're a job creator, which many of us are not. But practicing your skills, networking, and adding value whenever you can is the best way to prepare yourself for whatever the future holds. So speaking of skills, let's chat about the skills we'll be touching on in this exercise. So in this particular exercise, we're going to be covering how to take effective screenshots, copying, pasting, and duplicating those screenshots effectively, creating frames and layers in Figma, navigating a Figma file page in Canvas, which we're already starting to do a little bit, understanding how to read some basic HTML, CSS properties, Figma plugins, Figma auto layout, and Figma components. So we're going to be touching on a lot, even in this basic exercise of recreating a UI screen from scratch. But as a final note, before we start, I don't want you to worry too much about trying to understand and master all these skills at once. It'll take time, but the benefit of having these videos recorded means you can pause and rewatch this video as many times as you need. And in future videos, I'll definitely be revisiting several of these skills again and again. So, okay fam, let's stop there. I'll see you in the next video where we'll get started.